Hello everyone, I have iPhone 13 Pro Max and today I'm going to share with you the case, what I'm going to use. I have two of these iPhone 13 Pro Max. One is a graphite and another one is gold. This is a nice case, blue. This one is see-through. And then another one. This is really nice case. You can put your driver license, put credit cards inside, and for the money. And you just put it inside and just press it. And it has magnet, and then it has, this is the perfect for the lady. It has a clip, you open it and you put it inside. So this is pretty handy. This is good. You can use another type. This is another case. It's a clear case. Then the blue one, whatever you like. iPhone 13 Pro Max. You always want to protect your iPhone. If you drop it, then it supports these edges. You won't get scratches. I was using this one. I found another one more clear. So I'm going to use this one. And this will be... I just thought that these cases are really easy that you can buy online. And fraction of cost, and it can protect your iPhone 13 Pro Max. So it looks really nice. And like always, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.